Friends, this is Anika.
And this is Anya.
So today we'll be doing a eggless black forest cake. So we'll show you the ingredients.
And let's get started. So we'll show you the ingredients. 2 cup of maida, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and pinch of salt, 2 cup of powdered sugar, half cup milk, half cup oil and 2 teaspoon of vanilla essence.
And half cup curd. If you want to do egg cake, instead of curd you should add 3 eggs. So let's get started. So first we'll start by adding all the dry ingredients.
So let's add 2 cup of maida into the sieve.
So next we'll add 3/4 cup of cocoa powder.
So now we can add 2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt and sieve it together. After sieving it well, add 2 cups of powdered sugar.
Next add half cup of milk.
Add half cup of oil into this and mix it well.
Next add half cup curd.
Add 2 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And mix it well.
Mixing, grease the baking pan and preheat the oven.
So this is the mixture.
So now let's pour it in the baking pan. So here is a small tip. Please tap the baking tray and take a toothpick and spin like this twice to remove the air bubbles inside. And then tap it again. So the cake is ready to bake. So preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius before putting the baking pan, and it will take 1 hour to finish. For sugar syrup, add half cup water and half cup sugar. Boil it and then cool it. After coming to boiling stage, stop the flame. So now it has come to a boiling stage. Now you can off the flame. So let the sugar syrup be cooled down. Now let's start preparing the whipped cream. For preparing the whipped cream, we need 1 cup of milk and a whipping cream and a ready-made whipped cream mixture. Or you can also add whipping cream spray bottle. So now we can mix it with an electric blender. So the whipping cream is ready and I will show you the consistency of this. So if we tilt like this, it should not fall down. This is correct consistency of the whipping cream. Keep the whipping cream in the fridge till the cake is ready.
1 hour later.
So the cake took 1.5 hours to bake. Now we are going to use a toothpick to poke it inside the cake. If the toothpick comes out clean, it means that the cake is baked. So let the cake cool for a while and then we can start adding the whipping cream. So the cake cooled down. Now we are going to flip the cake. So now we have flipped the cake. Now we are going to cut it into 2 pieces. So now we have cut the cake into 2 pieces. And now we are going to add the sugar syrup.
Wow.
Now we are going to add the whipping cream which was there in the fridge before.
Yes.
Again put the sugar syrup on top. Now we can add the whipping cream at the top. Now we can also add in the sides. So now we have spread the whipping cream on the cake. So now we are going to decorate with chocolates and cherries. We don't have cones, so we are using a plastic cover instead. And now we are going to decorate it. So now we have decorated with whipping cream and now we are going to add the Dairy Milk chocolate and we are going to grate it for decoration. Now grate the chocolate for decoration. And now we are going to put on the sides of the cake. And now we are going to put the cherries. So the cake is finally done and decorated and ready to eat. So now we are going to cut it. So see the cake, it is finally done and ready to eat.
So I will taste it and show you. It's very awesome. So please try it at home.
So if you guys like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. So bye.